Binubuksan niya. Then we'll all walk. Yeah. Baji, baji.
Ay, no. Ay, ay.
Ini mukha. Okay, we'll all walk na.
Bigas mo yayang, bigas.
Go, go, go.
Go ahead.
Go easy. Alan. Toy. Okay, walk na. Go, go, Yaya. Yaya. Yeah, we'll go behind. Okay, go behind. Sa crematorium.
Malayo.
Ayan. Iikot lang tayo. Hindi ko nakunan ng suit ng mamunsi. Para we get to use the hearse naman.
Please come inside. More seats here.
Visit beside her.
There are more seats here.
Together.
More seats in front. Before we proceed with our ceremonies, and request those who have cell phones to please turn them into silent mode or into a vibrate mode so that we will have Game Madrid from the Arlington Crematory together with our staff and crew. This afternoon, we are here for the commendation and cremation of Ma'am Amparo. In a few minutes, we will be spending our time for the last viewing, Huling Pamamaalam. Just to have an organized last viewing, we have to fall in line on that side. We go row by row, but we will start at the back. The reason why I'm telling you to fill up all the vacant seats. We go row by row, it's because we want to give enough time for the immediate family, for their last goodbye. Fall in line on the other side when you are in front of the casket of Ma'am Amparo. Say whatever you have in your heart, in your mind. Hold the casket, touch the casket of Ma'am Amparo. Maybe say, thank you. I love you. I will miss you. It could be sorry, or a simple goodbye or paalam. Once you're done, you use this aisle going back to your seat. I would like to start those two gentlemen standing, followed by the man in stripe and the yellow gentleman. Okay? Then I go row by row. rise. As we are moving in the casket of Mama Amparo, how about giving her a big round of applause for giving us a life visit. Transferred. But prior to the transferring, we will be showering this with flowers. Please, when you shower the flowers, do it with gentleness, with love, with affection. This time, I will be inviting the immediate family first, followed by the grandchildren. Of course, the immediate family and their spouses, the grandchildren, they have their spouse now, they can move one line, the same thing that we did a while ago. Please, at this point, you start showering until the end of the other side. When you are done, you may return to your seats for us to give the others their turn. Okay? This will serve as her bed during cremation. Shall we start from the children? Just open your two hands and I will give you a handful of flowers. Will serve as her foamy, fragrant bed during cremation.